Next, we have Nanda Nandana. This composition is a devotional tribute to Lord Krishna, the beloved son of Nanda, and to Radha, the most enchanting maiden of Vrindavan. Bhaje Vraja Sundaram translates to, I worship the beautiful one of Vraja, with Vraja being the sacred land where Lord Krishna spent his childhood. The choreography beautifully portrays an endearing episode from Krishna and Radha's divine play. Radha is seen drawing water from the well when Krishna, in his playful mischief, stealthily takes away her water pot. As Radha chases after him, Krishna teasingly splashes water on her. This delightful prank is intricately woven into the performance, vividly capturing the charming and mischievous nature of Lord Krishna. The piece further depicts Krishna and Radha joyfully wandering through the sacred groves of Vrindavan, immersed in divine play, while Krishna's radiant beauty illuminates the entire forest. Ragam Desh, Aditalam, lyrics by Lalit Dasar, choreography by Guru Mrinalini Sadananda. Such a joyful performance. And the spins as Krishna, that was amazing, Shrutika. Beautiful, beautiful job. So our Guru, Srimati Mrunalini Sadananda, would like to say a few words about this song. Please welcome Auntie.
Namaste, good evening. I don't know what to say because my joy knew no bounds. This is the time that all the hard work that we have done feels like it's paid off, and if you applaud, I'll be very happy. I really don't have to say much about Shrutika's personality. Her teacher spoke, her friends spoke, other teachers also spoke. I think a guru is very, very happy when the right kind of a sishya comes to the guru. And that's what Bhagavad Gita promised, Lord Krishna promised. He said, when the student is ready, I am going to go, and the guru will come. So any guru for that matter. And I'm so overjoyed that Shrutika became my student. And this, no money can buy. This is an incredible experience for me, that as a guru, I am fully satisfied. It is because of my Guru's grace. I think when I started taking the mantle of the Guru, I called my Guru, I remember very well, and asked for his blessings. And at that time when I went to him, to the academy, there are some people there, and they said, I think she already started. And my Guru looked and he said, I'm having tears now in my eye. He said, Bruna will not do that. She will talk to the Guru before she takes the mantle of the Guru's position. Because of his blessings, I am able to produce what I have produced now. And I have experimented depending on the student. In Bharata Shastra, in Natya Shastra, there is something called charis. Chari is where there is a movement of hip, thighs, calf muscles, and foot. Together are called chari. When hand gestures are included into it, it is called karana. And she has done it so beautifully. I was so happy to see her doing the charis and also the karana. And I have, before she comes back, I just want to talk a few things about this chari. There are Bhumi charis and Akasha chari. Akasha charis is jumping higher than the Bhumi, Akasha, into the space. That she has demonstrated very well in that Amavaru song, when she jumped and killed the demon. That is, she has done beautifully Akashachari. And the first song is Guru Parampara. It's my Guru who taught me, Dr. Venkatachinna Satyangaru. And because of his grace, as I told you, I am continuing the art form. And the first song is done by my Guru. I always do at least one song done by my Guru in memory of his beautiful artwork. Then in Broche wherever, you saw the elephant. The crocodile comes and catches the elephant. And the elephant We have to learn all these things, that is how dance is very useful for these children. Understanding the philosophy. Finally, what happens? The crocodile caught the elephant's foot, and elephant is in distress. When the elephant is in distress, there are many things the elephant could have done. One natural thing is fight it out, and somehow manage to get away. Right? That is one option the elephant had. But the elephant did not choose that option. That option can fail. When we try to fight it out on our own, that option can fail. But in case this elephant has surrendered to the Lord, can there be a failure when you surrender yourself to the Lord? No. So it's a very, very, very dedicated bhakta of Lord Vishnu, surrendered to Lord Vishnu. And if we only surrender to the Lord without our egocentric ideas, then it will happen. He will take care of it. That's how he saved the elephant, the Gajendra Moksha. Then the very challenging piece that I've taken, because she has demonstrated a lot of ability, and I thought, let me try the Valachi Varnam. Generally, the Varnam is not a repertoire in Kuchipudi art form. But Kuchipudi is a classical style. So we can incorporate whatever we like. So I thought, why don't I take a Varnam? Generally, the Bharatanatyam dancers do the Varnam. And I said, okay, let me see, because this girl is a very able girl and she can sustain. The Varnam lasted for 20 minutes. It's non-stop movement. And Shrutika has done it. Congratulations, Shrutika. And in this context, I want to tell you, during Ammavaru song, I really want to mention this. He is a demon king. And what did he do? You all have watched it. He had taken the goddess Parvati, Ammavaru, and he had thrown Ammavaru into a lake. The egotistic mind thought, after all, Ammavaru, it's a Vigraham, it will go to the bottom of the lake. But to his surprise, Ammavaru raised above the waters, and it really struggled him a lot. He was extremely unhappy that Ammavaru came up. Then he thought, the problem is the lake. He did not understand, because that is a demon's mind. That egocentric mind, he did not understand. He cannot do anything to Ammavaru. But his ego, he said, the lake is not so good. Lake is a small thing. That's why Ammavaru came up. Now I'm going to throw this Vigraham into a waterfall. And a waterfall is much bigger than a lake. But what happened? Ammavaru raised above that. So, he did not learn his lesson. He still thought the deficiency is in the waterfalls. He doesn't know the waterfalls is created by her Shakti. He didn't realize that. Then he said the ultimate thing is throw Ammavaru into the ocean. She's not going to come up. She is the one who created the ocean. How else can it be? So from this is the way the children learn their lessons of philosophy through this dance form. Dance is just not for dance sake. There is a moral behind that. So what is the moral behind that? It is, no matter, Ammavaru, who is the Shakti, she is the one that's beyond all these obstacles. Same thing we see in Prahalada also. So that she has exhibited very beautifully. His disappointment, how he was scared to see Ammavaru raising above the water. Shrutika, you've done a marvelous job there. Many times, people say, in your philosophy, in Hindu Dharma, even though you claim there is Sri Ram, he has only one wife. What about Krishna? Krishna has 16,000 wives. Is it morally right? People keep asking that question. For that question, there is a beautiful answer. Angana, Angana, Antare, Madhava. Madhava, Madhava, Antare, Angana. For every Krishna, there is a Radha. So you can have 16,000 wives or more than that, because Krishna can appear in multiples of many. X number of Krishnas can be there. So that these kids have understood that it is this Radha dedicated to Krishna. There are many Radhas and many Krishnas because he is all pervading. So with this, I think we have to go to the next thing. What I want to conclude my speech with is, I am lucky I have Shrutika for a student. Thank you, Shrutika. You've been absolutely wonderful. Even backstage, as soon as she comes, she was asking, is there any correction? Did I do it correctly? Is there something that you want to change? Look at that ultimate faith in the Guru. It's not me, any Guru for that matter. If you have faith in your Guru, you will be successful. That is what Lord Krishna promised us. And she proved it. See, Krishna is coming down. Wonderful. That's great. All right, thank you all so much for being here. I enjoyed every minute of it. After this program, we'll all meet at the dinner place, back there. Thank you.